Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is officially part 2 of my previous Shein try-on haul. I didn't want to make the video too long because it was a lot of pieces that I had, so I decided to split it in two. So let's just dive right into the last final pieces that I got in my box. So I hope you guys enjoy, and of course don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and put in the description which pieces that you like. I'm always open to hearing you guys' opinion, and let me know if you guys want the links to anything. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Top number 23, I believe. So this top is actually super cute. It is something that I actually purchased anticipating the 4th of July. When I purchased it, I was like, oh my gosh. But when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this would be perfect because for the occasion and the colors that it is. So I am gonna wear this fairly soon. Yes, I am filming this video a whole lot earlier compared to probably when you guys are gonna see it, but I mean, it is another cold shoulder top. It is so adorable. I love the way it looks. It has like that peplum, but yet at the same time sexy kind of vibes. I'm not sure what pants I'm gonna wear with yet, but I just absolutely love it. I love it. It's so cute. It's just, you know, another one of my top contenders, as you guys can see. And even with this jeans, it gives this jeans that nice little vibe. Alright, so let's get on to 24, right? Yep, 24. Alright, so this is top number 24. It is this completely off the shoulder top. Very cute. I like it for the fact that the sleeves are connected in this way. It's probably something that will wear more on the cooler side end of the summer when things start to kind of like die out, only because it is a long sleeve and I'm already feeling like not wearing it. Could be a possible fact that I probably trying on so many clothes right now that I'm just naturally feeling warm at the moment, which is, you know, probably the reason why. But yeah, this is top number 24. It's really cutesy. I love it. It's absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. So let us get on to top 25. That's the last top. And that one, once you guys see that, then I'm gonna start putting on pants so you guys can see the pants. All right, this is last and final, top number 25. So cute, so adorable. It has that nice little see-through piece in the middle, very flowy and cute. This is what I like about it. I mean, it looks like it's becoming one of my top contenders only because I like it's kind of like a wrap style, but also the fact that it has like this, I don't know, something is just a little different about it, even though it's a little wrap style. All right, so hope you guys love all the tops that you guys have seen so far. I mean, I know there was a lot. Let's get right onto the pants, and I have outfits still, so a nice lengthy try-on haul for you guys. All right, I'll be back. All right, so here's pants number 1. So this pants is more like those, I'm telling you guys now, all the pants that I got is specifically for work. So this pants is the pants with like the little beads and the buttons on the up front right here. Right, so if I back up, you guys can see it is like that nice soft legging going all the way to the bottom of my feet, and then it comes up right here to my waist. It is not super tight, which is what I like. Comfortable fit, because wintertime, if I want to wear it and it gets super cold here, I can actually put on like a legging or something like that underneath it because it's not super tight and it's stretchy. So this is actually a win-win for me. It's not too much. I probably won't wear it too much in the summer because it's black. But if push comes over, this is a cool summer day and I want to throw on pants because, you know, the majority of the time I'm sitting in the office. Yeah, this is definitely something I'll wear. So this is the back. And then this is the front with the beads. I'm over here walking behind my plants, my centerpiece. All right, so let's get on to pants number 2. Okay, here we are. So this is pants number 2. So it is the navy blue version. And let me just get it a close up. It is the navy blue version to the black one that I just had on. When I saw the initially saw the material, I was like, okay, maybe this might be really comfortable. And I said, let me just get 2 colors just in case. And look, that worked out. Worked out perfectly. Right, so like I said, it's very comfortable, it's very relaxing. You guys can tell just by the way that I'm moving that it is comfortable, right? This, like I said, this is the back. It is really nice. So there's nothing extra fancy about the back. It's just really nice, soft material, and it is stretchy. So this one feels a little bit tighter than the black one, but it still has room where I can just put on a legging. You know, a little bit of a tighter room, but it still does it justice. This one I might wear in the summer only because it's not black, but it's navy blue, so we'll see. Let's get on to pants number 3. All right, so this is pants number 3. It is more of like the box pattern kind of look. I like it because, like I said, you want to put a little edge to some of your outfits and things like that. And it is also that nice soft material and stretchy material that I could throw something underneath. I'm really, really happy with the purchases right now with the pants. I'm not mad at it at all. All of them feel comfortable, all of them feel great. They're very relaxed. This is the back, and then this is the front. This one don't have any eccentric beading on it, but the pattern alone does it justice. Pattern alone doesn't do it justice, right? So I can throw in a nice little white top with this. And probably will wear this in the summer. It is black though. So, but the idea is to make sure that I have stock of work pants because that's the time, majority of the time that's where I am is at work. And I'm running out of pants, running out of things that fit me, running out of, things, you wear them all the time, they wear and tear. So just looking for other things, that's comfort wise that I can throw on and go to work with as well. So these pants is pants number 3, super cute. I think I have one more, so let's get on to pants number 4. Alright, so this is the last and final pants. It is pants number 4. What is different about this pants is because it has that little edge cut in between on the bottom of the leg part. Oh my gosh, I was like, oh, this is cute, that's different, right? This pants is a tad bit tighter than the other ones, but it is still comfortable, it's still soft, and it still gives that edgy look at the bottom. I was like, okay, this is cute. This is cute. I could do like a lot with this. Right, so this just to turn around so you guys can see the full look of the pants. So cute. I love it. It's very relaxing, very soft. It's not too much, it's not hot. You know what I'm saying? So certain things you try it on, it's hot, it's not hot. It's a really nice material. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm really happy that I got the pants. I was hesitant on getting work pants from there, but now that I do have the work pants, I was like, all right, this actually turned out better than I thought. Right, so as you guys can see, I love the edge that it has at the bottom in between, right, like that nice slit, and then it has that nice comfortable look. I don't know if I can put leggings on underneath this, but you know me, I'll attempt anyway. So let's get on to the full outfits. I have a few of them, so then after that, then we can wrap this up. All right, so let's get on to outfit number 1. Okay, so this is full outfit number 1. When I first put this dress on just now, I was like, what is this? But then as I zipped it up and I started to see it form on my shape, I was like, all right, I'm feeling this now. It took me more, and I don't even have this zipped up all the way. So there is a piece in the back that's like, okay, now it's zipped up. Right, so, I mean, come on, look at this. This is so pretty. I mean, when I initially bought this, I bought it, like I said, in terms of anticipation with work and things like that, but I can just wear this on a regular. The material is like a nice light airy silk material. It is not heavy, so this is what's making me like, okay, I don't necessarily have to wear this for work. I can wear this anytime. The side of it has like this really pretty beading on it that just gives it that nice like I said, that nice comfortable airy look as well. It has a room. It looks super comfortable. I just love it. I'm not mad at it. You guys can see the full dress now. I am not mad at it at all. It's really pretty. It is nice and flowy. You tie the bow on the sides and you're good to go. This actually turned out to be a really pretty dress. All right, so let's get on to outfit number 2. Alright, so here's outfit number 2. Yes, I switched it up. So this really cute wrap striped dress. I love this. It doesn't really like, it's not like a full on like where like you have to wrap it. It's just this part just attaches, which is what I like about it. And literally like this is so adorable. And then you just tie you just tie it in front. It's just, ugh. I did not expect this to be as cute as it is, but it's absolutely adorable. It is not too short, it's nice and comfortable. Definitely be rocking this summertime, you know, doing my thing. Yeah. Right. All right, so yes, this is outfit number 2. I have a few more because I don't want to waste too much time on each one. But yes, you guys are getting a long try on haul this time, right? Yes. All right, so let's get on to outfit number 3. I love this dress, top contender. So here's outfit number 3. It is this really nice pumpkin vibes, kind of like flowy dress. I love it. I love it for the pumpkins, mainly because I love pumpkins. I mean, wow, did you guys hear me? I ain't saying pumpkins. Pineapples. A pineapple flowy dress. And I'm gonna leave this in here. A pineapple flowy dress. It is so pretty. I love it for the pineapples itself because I am such like pineapple vibes all day. It is so flowy, so pretty. Something that I will wear just going out. Something that I could wear to work. You know, just mix it up on both ends. I just love this. Super cute, super flowy. Yeah. The back, this one has no bow or nothing like that. It's just like this. Knowing me, I'll probably put something cute around here just to accent it off. All right, so let's get on to outfit number 4. All right, so this is outfit number 4. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This is outfit number 4. It has that nice little rouge top and then the skirt with the little buttons in the middle. And then what I like about this skirt also has like a slit in the front. So you can do like a cute little you know, don't pay me no mind. But I love this. This is so cute, so flowy, so comfortable, not too hot. I mean, I like this. I like this a lot. I can do a lot with this outfit. I can go a lot with this outfit. I just love it. I just love it, and I love the buttons. I'm just definitely feeling the buttons. Definitely feeling the buttons. Alright, so this is outfit number 4. And they have different colors, but I thought the green was nice. Alright, so let's get to outfit number 5. Alright, so this is outfit number 5. It is this really nice accentuated jumpsuit that also has that nice cute slit at the bottom. I love this too. I love the way that it fits. I love the way that it just hugs me. It is adorable. The color is beautiful. The color is that nice soft blue that I like. It actually matches my decor. I just sit on my couch right now, just be like, and blend right in. I mean, this is adorable. I love it. It's comfortable. It's not too much. It's not too tight. It's great. It fits perfectly. Throw on a cute pair of heels with a little, like I said, that slit at the bottom gives it that nice edge. Oh my goodness, I love this outfit. Okay, let me stop. All right, so this was outfit number 5. I hopefully don't count right. Let's get on to number 6. All right, so here we are. And this is outfit number 6. Is another nice, pretty flowy dress. Oh my goodness. The color of it is beautiful. It's a really nice mauve, soft pink that just has that, you know, classy but elegant kind of vibe. The front part, like, you know, it kind of like crisscrosses and you can wrap it around and yeah, crisscrosses like that, and then you can wrap it around and tie your bow, or you can tie your bow in the back. I actually just like the idea of just having the bow either right in the middle or right on the side. You guys know me already. This is just my thing. I don't know about the middle though, but it still look cute. But yeah, this is outfit number 7. Oh, it's number 6. You guys know what I mean. I'm losing track now. It's been a long haul, okay? It's been a long haul. So this is outfit number, I believe number 7. Oh, number 6. Oh, number 6. All right, let's just get on to outfit number 7 or 8, whichever one it is. I'll confirm when I get to that one. All right, and that will be the last one. So the one I'm about to try next is the last one. Hasn't this been fun? All right, let's get into it. Last but not least, guys, so this is a dress outfit number 7. So the last one was number 6. This is number 7. It has a cute little slit at the bottom. I mean, it's so pretty. The tropical fabric of it, the tropical vibes is absolutely adorable. Could not zip up the side, so I'm not gonna turn that way, but I can turn this way. I was struggling just now. But you know when you've tried it on so much already, you're like, okay, all right. I don't think my fingers got enough stamina left to be zipping. Right, so here we are. This is the last and final outfit. This really beautiful palm tree green dress. I absolutely adore it. It is so cute. It's just nice and flowy. You can just wear this to anything and and just look adorable, right? All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this long fun try on haul. It definitely was great trying on all of these outfits with you guys. I can definitely do more long ones like these, even though I'm feeling it because it is a lot of work to take things off and put it back on. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of your support. You guys are always the best. Of course, put in the comments below which outfits you favorite the most. I numbered them so that way you guys can tell me which ones you like. If you like the links if you would like the links for any of them, let me know and I will find them links for you. Hopefully that they're not out of stock or anything like that. So that's why I rather wait. So if you guys like an outfit, I can check to see if it's out of stock and I will let you know. Okay, no, this is out of stock, because I can just go back to our orders and check. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that notification bell, the subscription button, and of course, like, comment, and of course, so that way you get notified anytime I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tuning in with your girl. Bye.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.